Are you tired of amazing AI tools that are crippled by heavy censorship? Or maybe you have a perfect idea, you write the perfect prompt, and boom, you get hit with a content policy violation. I get it, it's incredibly frustrating. Well, in this video, I'm revealing the best uncensored tools for the job. And the best part? They are all open source and completely free. Now let's be 100% clear, this is about exploring creative freedom, not about generating illegal content. I'm just here to share the hidden gems that most people don't know about. If you appreciate real, honest testing like this, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. I've put all the links down in the description below. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, Hugging Face AI. Everything here is 100% free. When you open the website on the top dashboard, click on Spaces. You'll see a ton of options. Here's the pro tip. Go to image generation. Type NSFW right into the search box. And then, this is key, sort the results by most likes. This instantly surfaces the best, most popular models, filtering out the low-quality ones. To be honest, my favorite here is NSF Flux Uncensored Photo.
I just pulled these fresh from the oven for you.
Because the variety of faces it creates is just better, more diverse, and more realistic compared to others that look like generic anime. Click into it. You'll get a warning page. Just click View Content to proceed. You've got your prompt box. Type your description and hit Generate. I wrote a cinematic prompt for the demo. A female cyberpunk assassin in tactical gear, standing in a rainy neon alleyway, sharp gaze, hyper-realistic. Click Generate. All right, the image is generated. Due to platform rules, I'm not scrolling down any further. But here there are no filters. You can write any out-of-the-box prompt you can think of. The freedom is yours. Now that we have the perfect image, let's make it move. This brings us to the next tool, Digen AI. And this is a total game changer. Get this. It gives you 300 free credits every single day. Plus, it supports top-tier models like Sora 2, Nano Banana, and a ton of cinematic effects. It's incredibly easy to use. Go to the website and click Create. You can directly generate an image. Just copy the prompt you just used and your image is ready. But I highly recommend its Make a Video feature. Then enter a new action prompt, like, she draws her weapon and warily looks around. Rain falls on her armor, neon lights reflect, cinematic slow motion. Set the quality to 1080p, click Generate Video, and let it run for a bit. Okay, my video is done. Look at that result. Like I said before, no filters, no limits. It created exactly what I described with amazing quality. So there you have it, a complete uncensored workflow. Use Hugging Face for the images and Digen AI for the video. Two powerful free tools to give you the creative freedom you've been missing. Go ahead, play around with them, and make something amazing. Remember, the best way to learn is just to try. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.